How to optimize battery health on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can easily optimize your battery health on Android. Your phone's battery will naturally weaken over time, but your charging habits and daily usage decides how it happens. So here are some practical tips that you can use to reduce your battery health and optimize it. First thing first you can do is avoid extreme heat because high temperatures from gaming or charging speeds up battery wear, so keep your phone cool. Even while playing, try not to keep it charged. Then you can also do frequent charges and keep it charged between 20 to 80%. Small frequent charges are healthier than draining your battery to 0% or charging it to 100% every day. For that, you can turn on this feature called battery protection. If you go over here, you can turn it on. The first one is basic. So what it does is it's going to when your battery is 100%, it will stop the charging until the battery drops down to 95 and then start charging again. If you set this to maximum, your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. You can adjust it all the way up to 95. You can also do adaptive protection. So what it does is it's going to stop charging at 80% while you're asleep and finish charging to 100% just before you wake up. You can turn it on if you want. After doing so, what you can also do is reduce background drain by turning off unused radios and avoid high refresh rate when not needed. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.